Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best keyboard drawer is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for optimizing your workspace, transforming a cluttered desk into a haven of productivity and ergonomic comfort. Imagine effortlessly sliding your keyboard away, reclaiming valuable surface area and creating a cleaner, more organized environment that not only looks good but feels incredibly functional, enhancing your overall computing experience and reducing desk fatigue. Number 5. VIVO Underdesk Keyboard Tray Mount, KB05E. Tired of a cluttered desk? This Underdesk tray is designed to keep your keyboard, mouse, and accessories neatly tucked away. It effectively frees up valuable surface area for a more organized workspace. Enjoy a more comfortable typing experience with this adjustable tray. You can easily slide it out to find the perfect ergonomic angle, reducing strain on your wrists and shoulders. It extends up to 8.5 inches, providing ample room for comfortable use. Despite its smooth operation, it's built to hold up to 11 pounds, ensuring your equipment is securely supported. Our sturdy C-clamps attach securely to your desk without causing any damage. They are easily adjustable and designed to hold everything firmly in place, accommodating desks up to 1.25 inches thick. Installation is a breeze with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. You'll have it mounted and ready to use in no time, enhancing your productivity. Please ensure your desk thickness does not exceed 1.25 inches and that you have at least 32.5 inches of space for the clamps. Note that it is not compatible with beveled desk edges. What we like. This option offers exceptional stability with its extra sturdy C-clamp mount system. If you need a secure and reliable setup that won't budge, this is the one for you. It's perfect for users who want to maximize their desk space and maintain comfortable typing angles without any wobble. What people say. The keyboard drawer is very sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for my keyboard and mouse. I appreciate the smooth gliding mechanism of the drawer, it extends and retracts effortlessly. The adjustable height feature is a game-changer, allowing me to find the perfect ergonomic position for typing. Number 4. Fellows Office Suite's Underdesk Keyboard Drawer. Tired of a cluttered desk? This Underdesk solution moves your keyboard and mouse off the desktop, freeing up valuable workspace. Find your perfect typing position with 3 height adjustments. It's designed to suit your preferred work posture for maximum comfort. Don't worry about size. Its spacious platform accommodates most keyboards, and the sturdy tray is built to last. Setting it up is simple. Just ensure you have the required width and depth underneath your desk, free of any obstructions. Customize your setup further. The mouse tray can be attached to either side or stored neatly underneath for convenience. What we like. Consider this if you prioritize adjustability and a personalized fit for your workspace. Its height adjustment feature makes it ideal for users who want to find their perfect ergonomic position. The spacious platform and the option to mount the mouse tray on either side offer great flexibility for different setups. What people say. Stable enough, and the size is large enough to place my full-size keyboard. It has a well-designed instruction, and easy to install except that I need to use an electrical drill. This one jumped at me because it was mounted with screws under the desk and had an extendable tray for the mouse, and was just the right size. I use a full-size keyboard and a trackball mouse so the pad doesn't need to be huge for my needs. The product looks great, feels sturdy, and was an easy install. They provide a great instructional video on install also on Amazon, worth watching. Number 3. BONTEC KMT01 Underdesk Keyboard Tray. Before you buy, please ensure your desk has a flat, unobstructed underside. This tray is not compatible with desks that have curved edges or support beams underneath. Make sure you have at least 31.3 inches of width and 11.4 inches of depth available under your desk. This ensures it can slide in and out smoothly. Free up your desktop by moving your keyboard and mouse to this convenient tray. It helps maintain an ergonomic position and keeps your workspace tidy. Attach it securely to desks up to 1.97 inches thick using the included C-clamps. No tools or drilling are needed, and protective pads prevent scratches. The generous surface supports up to 11 pounds and slides out effortlessly. It's designed for standard keyboards and mice, offering a stable and wobble-free experience. Ideal for offices, home workstations, and gaming setups. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized, and ergonomic workspace. What we like. This tray is a fantastic choice for those who want a quick, no-fuss setup without damaging their desk. The no-drill installation with sturdy, scratch-free C-clamps makes it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for a spacious and robust platform that's easy to attach and detach, this is a great fit for home offices or gaming stations. What people say. The keyboard drawer is very sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for my keyboard and mouse. The smooth gliding mechanism allows for easy extension and retraction of the drawer, making it convenient to use. The adjustable height feature is a great addition, allowing me to find the perfect ergonomic position for typing. Number 2. HUANUO Ergonomic Sliding Keyboard Tray. Introducing the HUANUO keyboard tray, designed to enhance your workspace comfort and efficiency. This ergonomic solution fits perfectly under your desk, keeping your desktop clutter-free. It offers a generous 25x 9.84 surface, accommodating your keyboard, mouse, and accessories. A built-in wrist rest is included to provide extra comfort during long work sessions. Experience ultimate flexibility with its full motion capabilities. The platform can swivel 180 degrees left and right, and tilt up to 22 degrees down or 6 degrees up for optimal positioning. Achieve better ergonomics with its 6.3 inches of height adjustment. This feature allows you to easily switch between sitting and standing positions, promoting a healthier work posture. Reclaim your desktop space by storing your keyboard and mouse neatly underneath. When not in use, it slides away discreetly, maintaining a clean and organized desk. Remember to tighten the knob for stability while typing. Setting up is a breeze with all the necessary hardware and instructions included. Please ensure your desk has the required clearance for smooth sliding and rotation before installation. What we like. For ultimate flexibility and ergonomic customization, this is the keyboard tray to consider. Its 360-degree swivel and tilt capabilities, along with height adjustment, allow for a truly personalized typing experience. If you often change positions or need to fine-tune your setup for maximum comfort, especially with its included wrist rest, this option excels. What people say. It has not come loose. It is not falling apart, and the finish on the keyboard tray looks just as good as when I put it together. Installation was easy. Took about 10 minutes. I just taped the template up under my desk where I wanted the tray to be installed, and we just installed the bracket over the template using it as a guide and then screwed the tray on, and that was it. This is adjustable, goes all the way under, and feels sturdy and stable. It pushes in and out just fine. Number 1. HUANUO Underdesk Keyboard Tray. Tired of a cluttered desk? This Underdesk keyboard tray is the perfect solution to reclaim your workspace. It slides neatly out of the way when not in use, keeping your desk tidy. This tray offers ample space, comfortably fitting both your keyboard and mouse. Its generous size provides more room than smaller models, enhancing your productivity. Improve your posture and enjoy a more comfortable typing experience. Simply slide out the tray to find your ideal ergonomic position for extended work sessions. Setting up is a breeze. The adjustable clamps attach securely to your desk surface up to 1.57 inches thick, with no tools or drilling required. Experience seamless operation with its smooth gliding tracks. Sliding the tray in and out is effortless, allowing for quick adjustments in a single motion. Whether you're working from home or in the office, this keyboard tray enhances both comfort and organization. It's a versatile addition to any workstation. What we like. This keyboard tray stands out with its generous size, accommodating both keyboard and mouse comfortably. If you have a larger setup or simply prefer ample space, this is an excellent option. The easy slide mechanism and no-screw installation make it both convenient and practical for everyday use in any home or office environment. What people say. The keyboard drawer is very sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for my keyboard and mouse. The smooth gliding mechanism allows for easy extension and retraction of the drawer, making it convenient to use. The adjustable height feature is a great addition, allowing me to find the perfect ergonomic position for typing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.